The power cord passes through the cord protector as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord protector gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord protector is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord protector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the rear housing from the grinder. Now remove the cord clamp. And I'll remove the cord wires from the switch. With the cord removed, now I can remove the cord protector. Now I can install the new cord protector. I'll thread the cord wires through it. And now I'll reconnect the wires to the switch. I'll make sure the wires are tucked out of the way. Then I'll reinstall the cord clamp. I'll slide the rear housing back over the cord protector and slide both items up tight against the grinder. And I'll resecure the rear cover with the screw. And that's all it takes to install a new cord protector on your tool.